Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm showing you a loop scarf, this time in a V pattern with super thick and cuddly wool. So we're doing a single loop this time. It's gonna be really quick, really easy. So if you'd like to learn how to do this, stay tuned. So here is my wool. I have Alaska Uni from Grundle. Let me show you the details. So it's 100 grams and 75 meters, and you'll need just one spool for this project. Needle size is 10 to 12, and I'll be using my 10 millimeter one. It's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. The color number is 10, and you see the lovely mustard yellow we have. Anyway, let's get started. I'll do 45 chains to start with. Five. And here are my chains. You can of course make this shorter or longer depending on which wool you're using. So thicker or thinner might give different lengths. Also, if you want this to be a double loop, you're gonna need a bit more than I just did. So I'm doing 54, and whatever number you choose, make sure it's divisible by 3. Okay, so I'll close up the round and take a look that I don't have any twists, and then we can just go through the first stitch we did and do a slip stitch. So just pull the thread through both the first and the last stitch, and that way we get a really nice rounded shape. Then we do 4 chains. The first 3 are instead of our first treble, and the 4th one is for the distance between the trebles that are incoming. Then I take a yarn over and I go through the same spot I already did, and I do a treble there. And we have our V piece. The next step is to leave 2 stitches out, 1 and 2, and into the 3rd we go in and we do a treble crochet. Chain and another treble into the same spot. So you see that it's super simple: treble, chain, treble, and we always go through the same spot. So again, skip 2 and go into the 3rd stitch. And I'll finish my whole round this way. So after this round, I'm again here where my 4 chains are, the ones I started with. So let's connect with a slip stitch. And now we can start our new round with 4 chains. Then yarn over the needle and then into the same spot. So in between the 2 ends of a V piece, I do a treble. This is also how I'm going to continue. So from this point on, you always go through the middle of the V. So actually around the chain that was between the trebles. And we do 2 new trebles there as well as the chain between them. Don't forget the chain in between the 2 trebles. Here is the next spot. And here is what we have, 2 rows with the V's. And the second round, I'll do the same way. In between each existing V comes a new one, and then I'll again close the round up with a slip stitch around here, and I'll keep going the same way. So in the meantime, I did quite a bit, and our scarf has gotten pretty big already. So you see my leftover wool here. So now I'll pull the thread out, and you can pull it tight already. That's gonna make everything stay in place. And the only step we need to do now is weave in this end thread as well as this beginning one here, and then we are almost done. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You just pull it over your head and you immediately get a really great looking scarf in a great looking color as well. So if you guys enjoyed, feel free to let me know in the comment section. You can also do that by shooting a thumbs up. You can also click on the subscribe button and that way stay updated with everything new that we post. So thanks for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you guys had fun and I hope to see you in our next video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!